In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your bot's welcome message in Copilot Studio. We'll begin inside your Copilot Studio environment. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation pane and select Topics. This is where your bot's conversation logic lives, and it includes both your own topics and the built-in system topics that control core behaviors. Opening Topics gives you a clear view of everything that can trigger or guide a chat. Next, locate the system topic named Conversation Start and open it. This topic fires as soon as a new chat begins, so it's the perfect place to adjust the very first thing your users see. If your topic list is long, you'll typically find system topics grouped or labeled distinctly so they're easy to spot among your custom topics. Inside the Conversation Start topic, look for the Send a Message node. This node contains the default welcome text your bot uses out of the box. Selecting it will reveal the current message, which is what users receive at the beginning of every new session. Now, customize the greeting to match your tone, brand, and use case. Click into the message field and type your new welcome text. Consider adding brief instructions that help users get started, like suggested questions or a short description of what the bot can do. If needed, include a concise disclaimer about data use or limitations. Keep it friendly, clear, and specific, and try to set expectations in 1 or 2 sentences so users know exactly how to interact. When you're happy with the wording, save your changes. Click the Save button to apply your modifications to the topic. Saving ensures that your updated message is the one the bot will use going forward. It's a simple step, but it's essential. Your edits won't be reflected in the chat until they're saved. Finally, test your bot to confirm everything looks and reads the way you intended. Start a new test session so the Conversation Start topic triggers from the beginning. You should see your customized welcome message appear right away. If it doesn't show, double-check that you saved, then start a fresh session to reset the conversation. That's all it takes. Navigate to Topics, open Conversation. Edit the Send a Message node, customize your greeting, save, and test. With a few thoughtful words, you can guide users from the first second, reduce confusion, and set your bot up for smoother conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy building.